So I don't mind admitting, the last couple of weeks, I've become absolutely obsessed with the town of York. So apparently, London is the most haunted city in the world because it's the oldest city in the world, and obviously all the history. But York, for its size, is pound for pound. So they say, so I've been Googling it, the most haunted city in Europe. This place is literally one mass graveyard. Bodies all over. Obviously, home of, I'm writing his book at the minute, Henry Wharton. Who else? Steve McLaren. Guy Fawkes. Shed 7. But yeah, absolutely fascinating place.